My name is Mr. Prince Watson. I'm the grade 2 teacher attending Motorstolic International School. Today I'll be taking the subject science, which topic says using the sense of taste. Using the sense of taste. First off, we have five sense organs, namely the eyes, nose, mouth, ear, and skin. Now, we say the sense organ we use for tasting is the tongue. Now, the five human senses all have their words, all have their functions. The eye is used for what? To sight things. The nose to smell. The tongue for taste. The ear to hear things. Lastly, the skin for what? To feel. Okay? Now today we'll be taking the tongue. Now we say the sense organ we use for tasting is the tongue. That means the tongue is used for taste. Now we have different tastes. We have different tastes, such as number 1, sweet taste. Number 2, bitter taste. Number 3, sour taste. Number 4, salty taste. And last but not the least, tasteless. We have what? Tasteless. I take it again. Number 1, we have the sweet taste. We have the bitter taste, the sour taste, the salty taste, and last but not the least, tasteless. Okay? Now let's go on for the first one. We say sweet taste. A sweet taste has a taste like sugar. A sweet taste has a taste like sugar. When something is sweet, for instance, we have the sweet banana, the juice, okay, the mango, okay, they are said to be what? Sweet. We say it has what? Sweet taste. Next on the list there is what? Bitter taste. A bitter taste is a sharp and biting taste. A bitter taste is a sharp and biting taste. Okay? Like for example, you're taking a Nescafe, a black Nescafe without sugar on it. It's what? It's a bitter taste. The next is what? Sour taste. Also have the sour taste. A sour taste is a sharp but not bitter, salty or sweet taste. A sour taste is a sharp but not bitter, salty or sweet taste. For instance, the lemon. The lemon has what? It has a sour taste. It's not sweet, it's not salty, neither is it bitter. But it's what? It has a sour taste. We also have the salty taste. We have what? The salty taste. An object is salty when it has a pleasant taste. An object is salty when it has a pleasant taste. Now, the last but not the least is what? Tasteless. Now, a thing is said to be tasteless when it has no taste. For instance, the water we drink. Water, for instance, doesn't have any taste. So we say water is what? Tasteless. Water is what? Tasteless. Now you see we have 5 different tastes. Okay, we have 5 types of taste. Number 1, we have the sweet taste. We have the bitter taste. We have the sour taste. We have the salty taste. And we have the tasteless. Okay? We say we have the sweet taste, number 1, bitter taste, number 2, sour taste, number 3, salty taste, number 3, and the last but not the least, tasteless. Let's recap one more time. Using the sense of taste. Using the sense of taste. The sense organ we use for tasting is the tongue. And the tongue can be found where? In the mouth. The tongue can be found in the mouth. Okay? Now we have different types of taste. We have 5 different types of taste. the sweet, bitter, sour, salty, and tasteless. Now, when you talk about tasteless, why I'm taking tasteless is because it's not there on the board. Now, something is said to be tasteless when it has no taste. Something is said to be tasteless when it has no taste. Now, it's neither sweet nor is it bitter. For instance, like water, the water we drink at home. It's not sweet, it's not bitter, it's not salty, it's neither salty. So we say water is what? Tasteless. Very good. Now, as you see, we have 5 different types of taste. First off, we have the sweet taste. We say a sweet taste has a taste like sugar. A sweet taste has a taste like sugar. The second one says bitter taste. A bitter taste is a sharp and biting taste. Like in Nigeria, we have something that is called the bitter cola. Okay? Why we need you to have the coffee, like Nescafe. Okay? A Nescafe without a sugar in it is what? It has a bitter taste. When you take a Nescafe without a sugar or a honey mixed with it, it's what? It's bitter. Now we have the next one there, which says the sour taste. The sour taste is a sharp but not bitter one, salty or sweet taste. For instance, the lemon. Lemon is what? Lemon has a sour taste. Lemon has a sour taste. We also have the salty taste. We also have the salty taste. An object is tasty when it has a pleasant taste. An object is tasty when it has a pleasant taste. Okay? I'm going to give you an example as well. When you're playing, when you've played and played and played to an extent, you start sweating. You just use your finger, rub on the sweat of yours. Now you taste it. You find out that it's what? Salty. Taste salty. Okay? Now, the last but not the least, we talk about the tasteless. We said a thing or something is tasteless when it has no taste. Okay? Thank you very much. Is there any question? Is there any question? Now, if there's no question, in the absence of question, let me say I'm going to leave you with some homework. Let me keep you busy while at home, okay? Goodbye. Should in case you missed out on any of our teachings, please you can visit our website. Okay? Bye. Hope to see you.